Ningbo Credit Ocean Machinery and Electron Company Limited, founded in 2007 and located in the modernized international port city of Ningbo, China, is dedicated to the supply of advanced and reliable ribbon and narrow fabric manufacturing machines, rewinding machines, braiding machines, and other textile-related machines. Our product catalog is extensive, with our main products including cord knitting machine, ribbon needle loom, crochet machine, high-speed braiding machine, tipping machine, and other auxiliary machines and related accessories, such as spare parts and raw material. Because we have an advanced supply chain with domestic suppliers many years, Credit Ocean has reliable control of product quality. Every machine will be tested and run some days before shipping. Finished equipment is specially sealed using a stretch film wrapping machine for moisture and rust resistant, so that we can guarantee all finished and delivered equipment is the best it can possibly be. Our products have been sold to customers around the world, including Russia, Poland, Italy, Portugal, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Mexico, Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, Bangladesh, and other countries and regions, and have received critical acclaims from our clients. And we are also looking for agents all over the world. Welcome to join in our family. Ningbo Credit Ocean Machinery and Electron Company Limited has a reputation for excellent product quality and cost performance, and we look forward to working with customers from both home and abroad.